Hello, good morning. I just made this yummy daily oatmeal using Ayurvedic thought processes. So it's oatmeal with hemp milk and prunes and some sweet spices. So I'm going to share this with you. So for about 3 years now, I have been cooking using Ayurvedic recipes and cookbooks, and this year I'm doing a really deep dive into learning about Ayurveda, which is it kind of is basically having your own, like being your own apothecary or your own doctor, and really listening to your body. So yoga helps us get in tune with our body, while Ayurveda gives us the tools to make our body healthy. And a lot of this is being driven because I was diagnosed with fibromyalgia, and I'm just trying to figure out like what kind of food can I eat and what makes my body feel better. And so on this quest, I've just really enjoyed eating the food and learning more about the different parts of Ayurveda. And so I think this year what I want to do is share this journey with you, and I'm going to go on a deep dive, and the meals that I prepare through the cookbooks, I will share the cookbooks I use and the recipes. So today is this wonderful oatmeal by Kate O'Donnell in her Everyday Cleanse program, and also it's in her Everyday Ayurveda cookbook. So if you're really wanting to go on this deep dive with me, buy Kate O'Donnell's cookbook. She's amazing and her food is delicious. Okay, well, I'm gonna eat my oatmeal.